Hello, everyone. We are First Laser. Now you see our machine is fiber laser marking machine. We already assembled up. This ready to work. Now let me call it to introduce how to use this machine. First of all, I will introduce the machine, all the parts. Yeah, this is a scanning meter, scanning head, or you can call this granulometer. This is a lifting head, hand lift. Yeah, this can adjust this focus length about this scanning meter. This is a working table. You can put the object on this working table. And this is a ruler for see the tick the focus length about this granulometer. This is a letter pass. The laser is coming from here and then reflect from this scanning meter. This is a main control board, and this three black color one is a switch. First one is a main power switch, and the second one is a granulometer switch. The third one is a laser switch. This first one, the red color, is a main power switch. The second one is a USB port. And the third one is the rotary interface to connect the rotary wire. The fourth one is a foot switch. You can connect the foot switch at this port. The last one is a main power port. Red color one is for connect grounding wire. Is a safety line. Yeah, there's two fans for ventilation and cooling this inside the box temperature. The second part, we will show you how to connect all the cable to this main box. The color one is a data cable, or connect the main box and the laptop. Yeah, connect the USB port to the laptop first, and plug in this data cable into the main control box. Okay, the data cable is ready now. Then connect this power cable. This for main power for the control box for this laser machine. Okay, it's a power cable connected. So now it's ready. We are ready to work. Okay, switch on the main power. Okay, the first switch is on now. You can see this light, lighting up already. Now we switch on this switch one by one. First one is main power switch. And the second one is the granulometer switch. The third one is the laser switch. Yeah, one by one, from left to right. After that, you can hear the fans running. The noise means that machine is running now. The third part, we will show you how to install the EZCAD driver. The first part, we run software EasyCAD. Now you see the screen. This is a EasyCAD operate menu, operate screen. Then click the File button. Select Import Vector File to import a file into this EasyCAD software. Yeah, select one vector file and click the Put to Origin button and send the picture to the middle of the screen and then setting the size of this picture. Make it ready to marking. Apply its button and put the origin button again and put the hatch button. Yeah, make some more parameter setting. Click OK. Now they fulfill the black color logo. Then setting the speed to 800 and power 70%. Okay, now it's ready to work. Then we have to adjust this focus length. Switch on this button. You can see 3 dots on this work table. Then adjust handle lift to make this 3 dots come to 1 dot. When these 3 dots become 1, means this focus is ready. Then press the F1 button on the laptop. You can see a red color box on this on this stainless plate. Then select this F2 button to start marking job. Yeah, working in progress. When you're working, better put one safety goggle for protect your naked eye because this laser light is dangerous. This is our company logo, Foster Laser. Okay, job's done. Let's see the effect of marking job. It's very good, right? Okay, thank you for watching.